One night I was checking on Finn, and he was curled up behind Brutus on the dog bed. And then every night thereafter, I was finding them either in Finn's bed or on the floor together or in the dog bed. He was in a crib up until end of May. Brutus was always sleeping in front of his crib, like on the floor. So it was kind of once he got that freedom, he's always been a mover. I was watching the video in my room, just watched him rolling around, moving around, and Brutus just didn't care at all. Brutus is very calm and just like whatever. He is extremely patient. He's always got a cup of water. He loves water. He actually won't even go to bed without water. So he needs water and Brutus to go to bed. That's just how he is. Like, I'll find him sleeping in numerous positions. And so I'll check on him multiple times. And every time I go in his room, he's in a different position. Brutus is very trusting of Finn, and he kind of knows that little people are little people. I think Brutus probably knew, like, he'll eventually get comfortable. And he just kind of laid there and let it happen. He stopped. He's fallen asleep in that position. And then he changes positions again. They definitely like to be around each other. Brutus will follow Finn into whatever room he's in. Brutus will curl up right next to him. They're just best buds. They're always together.